We have put our memory in the fire and we want to continue with the beans akara. Now this is the one that we've soaked for a while now while we're fixing the moi. So we want to start mixing it. So I want to add little water to make it free while mixing it. Okay. This I'm going to mix it for like maybe 3 minutes should be enough because it's already soaked. Okay. I told us it's only 1 cup of water that you're going to use to for the akara for 1 cup of beans flour. Okay. Now we want to add our onions. This is already mixed now. We're adding our onions to it. And we're going to add salt to taste. Like I told you, if you love more pepper, you can also introduce more pepper to it. See, it's not difficult at all. See, it's already ready for frying now. Just how many minutes? Like 2-3 minutes. Your akara for frying is ready. Okay, so you can enjoy yourself fast. Your breakfast is set on time. See? Now I want to add more water to it so that it will not be hard. This is 1 cup of water. I told us 1 cup of water for 1 cup of tea, 1 teacup of water. So you can see the teacup. It's not a big size, so the small size of it. Okay. So we have finished 1 cup for this 1 cup of beans flour. So we are going to put our oil to the fire for heating now. Okay, our oil is ready now. We've heat the oil on the fire, it's ready. So I want to test a little to see first. Wow, it's ready. Now there's something I want to tell you. If you drop this beans flour on the oil and you see that it goes down to sit down, that means the thing has not well mixed. But as we put it pop up, that means you have gotten the water measurement very well. So we started putting our beans flour for frying now. Okay. Okay, this akara has been on the oil for some time. I want to flip to the other side so that I can cook both sides. You see? It's so easy. It's not even sticky at the buttocks at all. So we are flipping to the next side. See how puffy it is. In the next few minutes, the akara will be ready for eating. Okay, we have flipped to the other side now. Let this side also cook. And my one is on the fire too. We'll see. Do akara is faster. Okay, this our akara is ready now. So we want to take it off from the oil. It's ready now. This is just 1 cup of beans flour. So see how beautiful the akara looks like. Man, you don't need to go to akara stand before you eat akara. Anytime, any day, any moment you just feel like eating your akara, just go to get Neft beans flour and then mix it fast. This is 1 cup of Neft beans flour. What it gives you. See how beautiful they are. Okay.